Hi Year 5, it's Friday. Okay, really excited. It's half term next week, so you won't have any work set on Google Classroom. So I hope you use that time trying to get fit. Maybe you try and learn a new skill. Okay, I've been crocheting. It's not around here at the moment. Maybe when we're back in school I can bring it in and show you, but I've been learning to crochet a bit more and learn some new techniques, so maybe you could learn a new skill over the next week. Okay, but today in maths we're going to do a little bit of a recap. Okay, so I'm only going to look at multiples, lowest common multiple and common factors. If you need to have a look at factor trees again, which is the last question, go back to yesterday's video, it'll still be on there. Okay, so really quick, we're going to whiz through these. Okay, we're going to whiz through them. So really quickly, you want to find the multiples of 8. What were multiples? There were numbers which are in that times table, so in the 8 times table in this case. So first of all it would be 1 times 8, which is 8. So 2 times 8 is 16, brilliant. Then it would be 24, you're whizzing through this. 36, 45, brilliant. And we'll do one more. Oh, well spotted, I made a mistake. Can you spot my mistake? Yeah, I started to go into the 9 times table. I don't know why. Oh, it's been a long week, Year 5. Go on then, correct me. 32, brilliant. And then it would be 40, fantastic. It's okay because I spotted my mistake. It's okay to make mistakes. We all make mistakes, okay? So, lowest common multiple of 5 and 8. So we've looked at finding the multiples of just one number, but now we need to find the lowest common multiple. So how do we start by doing that? Fantastic. We find the multiples of 5 and then the multiples of 8, and we see which ones are common in both, okay, and which one's the lowest number. So first of all, multiples of 5, go. 5, brilliant. 10, 15, oh I'm struggling to keep up. 20, fantastic. 25, one more. 30, brilliant. Now multiples of 8, well we've already got them up here. 8, 16, 24, 32, and we'll go to 40, even though we haven't gone up there. Okay, so at the moment, can you see any numbers which are common? Any multiples which are common there? No, I can't see any common multiples at the moment, so we might have to keep going. Okay, so let's do a few more of 5 then. 30, what to go after 30 in the 5 times table? 35, brilliant, and 40, brilliant. Can you see any common multiples there now? You can, which one? Fantastic, we can spot 40 is the common multiple. Is it the lowest common multiple? Do we have anything else which comes lower down, which is a small number? No, brilliant. So the lowest common multiple of 5 and 8 is 40. Brilliant. Last one. Common factors of 10 and 15. Now, we need to find the factors of 10 and we need to find the factors of 15. Now, you do have a question before this where you find the factors of just one number. So you do exactly the same. You find the factors of 10, let's say. So, factors of 10. What's one number which is always a factor of that number? It's always going to be 1. So what's its factor pair in the case of 10? 1 times 10. Brilliant. Okay. If we work systematically, would 2 be a factor? It would. Okay, what would be its factor pair? 5. Brilliant. Would 3 be a factor? 4? No? Okay, brilliant. We don't need to get any higher. We've got 5, which is half the number, so we don't need to get any more. Because you can't do 10 divided by 6, you'll end up with a decimal number, won't you? Okay, if you do 10 divided by 7, you'll end up with a number that's lower than 1, so it's not going to work. Right, let's try 15. What's that magic number? 1, brilliant. Multiplied by, what do you say? 15, fantastic. 2, is that 1? No, 3. What would be its factor pair then? 5, fantastic. 4? No, we've already done 5, 6. No, 7. 9, 8. No, then we go again. 15 divided by 8 will end up going into decimal numbers, so we don't need to get any further. It's more than half of 15. Fantastic. So can you see any common factors? So we found all the factors of 10, all the factors of 15. So if I write them down here, I've got 1, 2, 5 and 10 for 10, sorry, and we've got 1, 3, 5 and 15 for 15. Can you see any common factors? You can. Which ones? 1, fantastic. Any others? And 5, brilliant. So common factors of 10 and 15 would be 1. Again, we don't need to do like we've done up here 1 times, because we're not doing 1 times anything, we just list them. 1 and 5. Brilliant. Okay, so there's the main questions that you're going to have to do today, which is a bit of a recap on the week. It's not going to stick. I thought it was magnetic, but it's not. There are all the questions that you're going to have to complete today. Okay, I hope you have a lovely weekend and a lovely half term, and I will see you on the following Monday on here. Okay, so have a go. Remember, as always, if you're stuck, put a comment on and we will give you a hand as best we can. Okay, but if you're struggling, try and go back to the work that you've done before, the videos that I've put on here before, to give yourself a hand. Okay, bye, you 5.